Hello from Slovenia again. I have a big mess here because I'm playing with my paints today again, and I bring out primary elements again and mix them with vivid enamel, and I will try to do a bloom, and I will use Guatemalan Green. I don't know. And I have white blueberry, and I have this autumn leaf that it's just beautiful. And my base is just my white and my pouring medium, because all house paints that we have here in Slovenia crack, so maybe this is too thick, but let's see what will happen. I will torch this a little bit. Okay, and I will add this green first. Okay, and blue. This blue is beautiful. And autumn leaf. And some white cell activator. And I will blow this out. Ooh, too much. We'll add a little more white here. Nothing is underneath here. So let's spin this, or maybe rack it a little bit. I will try to tilt some of this off first, if I can. I think that I have a little too much of that, so I will do what Karen does, waterfall acrylics. I will just scrape this to the middle. And I had too much paint probably. And blue. Oops. And not as much of this autumn leaf. And cell activator. Still don't like it. So this will be learning process for me. We'll add just a little bit of paint this time. Don't like this part, so I will just try to blow this here a little more. I really like the colors, but not the composition. So definitely this will be another try for me to use this color combination, because I really like it. I'll just scrape this off. Let me take you for a close-up. Wow. See this? Just gorgeous. Have to do this color combination again. This is all that you can see through, because I scraped and pour over, but I really like this color combo. Just gorgeous. Isn't it? And can't wait to see the shimmer when it will be dry. So practicing blooms. This is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.